No, we're talking about it, but what are they doing? Look. Oh, wait. What's going on? Those enemies?
Those guys aren't on the field.
Just have those guys cover you.
I was like, what is that?
Matt, what are you trying to do?
Get the guy at the church.
We need to take that church.
Yeah. We have thunder bees. I threw my thunder bees over the wall. I'm scared someone's stealing.
Alright, I'm down for running at the church.
You want to do go left side, and then go ahead and hit him.
Blue, cover them.
Alright, I'm going to go. You go first. I'll go right behind you. Okay?
Go. Alright, hey, you got me. I'm going.
Crossing. Take the kill. Hit. Guys, at the church is out. I need a medic.
Nice one.
Go further.
Just clear it out.
Come here.
Alright, remember, get past that river.
Watch your feet.
Up the hill. I don't see him yet. Keep pushing. This one right here. Straight across right here.
B team, how you guys doing?
Hey, where do you want me to set up?
Oh, right here, right here. Huh? Thank you.
Hey, CO, is this the building we're holding?
Yes. We want to make sure we get flanked.
Hey, come here. Walk up the center. They got sights on the center. Where you at, medic?
Hey, medic, can you?
I'm gonna get him.
Hey, I'm going to get our guy, okay?
Can I come get you?
Yeah.
There's a guy in your 12. Guy in your 12. Watch it. Guy in your 12.
Two wounded. Hey, I'm a dead boy. He's down. Yeah, you're good. He's down. Yeah, we're good. Stay low, baby. Medic, watch yourself. Let the people bring the dead body. Yeah, go. Medic. Yo, go.
Go, move.
He's down.
Are we looking on the left?
Looking on the left side.
Still need a medic on the left side.
Oh, hi. How you doing? The guy still there? Hey, I'm gonna move this ball bunker.
Down.
Where you shooting at?
Oh, that guy. The medic that just went to the right.
Hey, is that guy still behind the trailer?
Yeah, this guy's still here.
I had to pull a paintball move. Had to.
Let us out.
Good move.
That was.
Oh, no chill.
Hey, I got a question, Hoover. The spinner that's over here, I spun it, but it's like half white, but it could spin and rotating. Can I just put the red, or is that?
It's that one's actually not in play for this one yet, so
Oh, okay.
That one actually isn't even in play in this game.
Oh, okay.
It's one of my walk-on refs put it up and never took it down.
Okay.
So it's okay. Everyone just spins them. They have fun spinning them.
I mean, it's just like, hey, Brad, you know, we're dominating that field, you know.
Yeah, no problem.
What's the recon? 20.
Okay.
Oh, I got hit!
Oh, that's why I didn't kill him. Fuck.
Go.
Well, that made me sad. That's why I didn't kill him.
Medic.
I shot him.
Go, go, go.
Yeah. You get one recover and then that's it.
I don't see him.
Yeah, sad life.
I need BBs anyway. Medic, are you down? I'm down. If you push further, I'm pulling all the way back to the guy.
This Sean.
What is the objectives right now?
It's spinners in the far corner of the barnyard. We already have them though.
Okay, 10-4. Waiting for orders then.
Hey, man. So we're just waiting.
Just camping.
You guys are in the compound, correct?
Are we good?
Matt, right outside of Outpost. Say it again.
Oh, okay. You good.
Hey boss, you want me to take a couple bodies and go CQB that village, see if we can take it, or not worth it?
There you go again. I like to get that fucking reset.
Alpha team, are you guys still in the compound?
I think that's a yes. God, I need a
Yeah, 10-4. We're on the outskirts of it. We're by the chapel and
Shoot.
the satellite dish area. Woo.
Okay, copy.
Corner bunker.
10-4.
Yeah, I know that.
That's the dude who just lit us off.
Did I get hit?
And that's the lesson I'm positioning.
Are
Hey,
you
you got
hit?
another one.
Yeah, I'll hit. I'm hit, yes.
Are you good?
No, I have not been managed. But I need to be dragged in because I don't want to.
Well, be careful. Well, I mean, I only got one more and then I have to go back anyway.
Okay. I'll go ahead and this. I'm going to like tuck and roll.
Get ready, guys.
Get ready?
What? They're coming out this side.
Who else was that?
Hey, Tim, it seems like it's working.
Alright,
It seems like it's working.
I am now a worthless medic. So I'm gonna go back to.
They're also popping their heads up in those little palisades.
I don't have any. Well, you know what? Yeah, I do. Hang on.
Oh, yeah.
This is gonna be his.
She's out of bandages.
You know what? I got like just
They're
enough.
arcing shots now.
Who over here is hit?
They're, hey guys,
I am. He is too, but.
they're in the garage.
Alright, you pick one. I only got one more.
No, you want in or
Isn't that technically just blind
Are
firing?
you hit?
Yes,
Okay.
it's working.
Do you want in or do you? Here, run my PKM. Sure, get put me in then.
Oh, there's
Are
one.
you out? Yeah, I got hit.
They're just popping their heads
Just
up.
run my PKM.
I'm going back. When I get there. That way?
She's out of bandages.
Yeah, I'll show you.
Sorry.
I'm going back.
Okay.
Can you take this bandage off and then retie it?
I cannot.
Wait, do what?
I'm not allowed to take old
If you got
bandages
hit,
and
if you
retie
got
them.
hit twice, you're dead.
Well, I tried to reclaim old ones. I'm not allowed to.
Oh, heavy.
Hey, Matt, are you hit?
I'm still in.
Okay.
What do you want to do?
Like I said, be careful, man. They're shooting at us.
You're just working fine. Just
I want to
there
try
you
to
go.
get in the village.
Do not get in the village.
Something might be running
They're all over the
Yeah.
Alright,
What we doing?
Dude, I'm getting
Looks
such
real. There's
Oh my god.
This guy's bouncing up and down like a jackrabbit.
I would love to run in there.
This thing is so fucking heavy. How does he handle it?
This is too funny. Why do we know how to use that?
They're arcing. You want to get back, man. You're flanked. I'm moving back farther.
Go.
They're not gonna come out. They're just gonna do all that nonsense.
You want carry back?
Oh my god.
Let's see.
No, we gotta hold our ground here.
Alright. Hey, Noah, we'll give you support fire. Can you hit those sandbags over here and just support from back there?
You want me to support?
Yeah, support.
Hit again.
You guys can say incoming shot.
Okay.
That means I'm dead.
You want to carry that back?
I don't want to. I don't want to.
Out of the way! Out of the way!
Fuck it. It's still a gun. I'm gonna use it. Go, move back, move back. Watch the left side, watch the left side. Fall back, I got you. Fall back, fall back, fall back. This battery's dying. You get a shot of. I see. Huh?
That's got a rate of fire.
Yeah, I know.
Good. These eyes on?
I'm good, I'm good.
Got a visual on too?
He's laying there.
That's my buddy's gun.
Okay. Is he still here or is he out?
He was out. He was switching guns, and he was.
Oh, let her out.
It's out.
Do you want to leave it in there or do you want to take it back? Or are you going to go back with it?
I'm probably gonna go. Like it's dead anyways. Okay. Just leave it right there on the ground.
Oh.
Yeah, 'cause I gotta hook my gun up.
That gun was the reason you failed.
It was. It was.
Did you break anything?
No, I'm fine.
Okay.
I don't think I broke anything.
That's a good hit.